In today's mining operations, every minute of machine downtime and fuel usage counts. That's why business owners are constantly seeking smarter ways to improve fuel efficiency, especially when using B35 and higher biodiesel content. Fleet operators running B35 and higher biodiesel content have reported ongoing issues. Fuel injectors get dirty, filters get blocked regularly, fuel efficiency is lowered, unplanned downtime affects productivity. These challenges contributed to rising diesel and maintenance costs. With more downtime, the haulers were simply not working as efficiently as before. This is where Afton's expertise came in. We worked closely with the customer's operations team and proposed additizing their biodiesel with our Greenclean for technology to tackle the hauler-related issues. After these discussions, the mining customer agreed to collaborate in a field trial using Greenclean for technology. To demonstrate its value in real-world conditions, a structured trial was conducted, aimed at proving its ability to reduce total cost of ownership or in short TCO in Indonesia's B35 fuel environment. Using matched pair off-road vehicles, our targets include cleaner injectors, longer fuel filter life, and better fuel efficiency. Once the details were confirmed, we prepared the fleet for testing, including recording the data from the onboard devices, taking injector samples and fuel filter sample analysis. 4 haulers were paired based on similar usage and performance. All ran on untreated diesel to establish baseline fuel data. In the next 3 months, 1 hauler from each pair used diesel treated with our Greenclean for technology additive. The others remained on regular biodiesel. At the end of the testing period, data from the onboard device, filters and injectors was taken back to the laboratory for test and analysis. Our results confirmed that Greenclean for technology delivered a substantial improvement in cleaner injectors, increased fuel filter life, and fuel efficiency. After the well-managed and rigorously analyzed field trial, results showed these improvements. Keeping injectors clean, doubling the fuel filter life, which delivers $100,000 in cost reduction. And lastly, 3% improvement in fuel efficiency, which translates to over $580,000 in savings. That's a total savings of nearly $680,000 per annum, or 1.96% reduction in TCO per annum. Proven in demanding mining operations, Greenclean for technology overcomes the challenges of B35 and higher biodiesel content, delivering future-ready performance. At Afton, we are committed to deliver solutions that address real industry needs. We do this through open collaboration, combining our expertise in fuel chemistry with our passion for solutions. Reach out to Afton to find out how we can help reduce your total cost of operation when using biodiesel in your heavy-duty fleet today.